Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Number Systems. The given question is rationalize the denominator of 5 upon root 3 minus root 5. So guys, let us see how we can solve this one. Question has given us this expression. Here the question has given us this expression 5 upon root 3 minus root 5. Question has given us this expression and question is asking us to rationalize the denominator. Question is asking us to rationalize the denominator. Guys, this is again a very simple and very straightforward one. Before moving ahead, let us understand what does it mean by rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator means removing the roots or cube roots from the denominator to the numerator. That is moving the roots or cube roots from the bottom to the top. This is what is being understood as rationalizing the denominator. This is as simple as like this, just removing the roots or cube roots from the denominator to the numerator. How we can do? Let us see. Now the given expression here is 5 upon root 3 minus root 5. Guys, in order to remove the roots from the denominator, I need to multiply the same thing. Suppose root 3 is here, I need to multiply root 3 with root 3 so that I can remove the root. That means root 3 into root 3 I will get 3. Same way, root 5 is here, I need to multiply root 5 with another root 5 so that I can get it as 5. Now how to do that? We very well know that. What we know? We very well know that a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So if I make the square of root 3, then I can get 3. If I make the square of root 5, then I can get 5. So this identity I am going to use. What? A minus b into a plus b, so that I could easily square the numbers and I can remove the roots. Now let's see. In order to write here, the question has given us 5 upon root 3 minus root 5. In order to remove this, I need to multiply root 3 minus root 5 with root 3 plus root 5. That is a minus b into a plus b. So what I need to do? I need to multiply in the denominator, or I need to multiply to the denominator root 3 plus root 5 so that I can make it a minus b into a plus b, and I can easily get the answer like a square minus b square, so that I can remove the roots. If I am multiplying something in the denominator, I should also multiply the same thing to the numerator. This is what we very well know, so that the overall effect remains the same. How? Because root 3 plus root 5 upon root 3 plus root 5, it cancels out and the ultimate answer is 1. So 5 upon root 3 minus root 5 into 1 is nothing but the same thing that is being given in the question. So this is, for that reason we are multiplying the same thing in the numerator and to the denominator. So what I can write now? We got 5 into root 3 plus root 5 in the numerator. Now in the denominator, what we have? Root 3 minus root 5 into root 3 plus root 5. Hope guys we are clear till here. Hope guys I am very clear and we understand what I am doing here. Now let us solve this one. Or I can write this one as 5 into root 3 plus root 5 upon a minus b. This one is a minus b into a plus b. This is of the form of the identity a minus b into a plus b. So we very well know that a minus b into a plus b is nothing but a square minus b square. So that is what I am going to do here. A square, here a is root 3, so root 3 to the power 2 minus b square, here b is root 5, so root 5 to the power 2. Or this is equal to 5 into root 3 plus root 5 upon root 3 to the power 2, that means root 3 into root 3 is 3, minus root 5 to the power 2, that is root 5 into root 5 is 5. So let us solve it further. Hope guys it is very clear what I am doing here. Hope guys it is very clear what I am doing here. or I can write this one is equal to 5 into root 3 plus root 5. Root 3 into root 5 upon 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So guys, this could be our answer, but we cannot keep a negative symbol in the denominator. We cannot keep a negative symbol in the denominator. So let us remove this negative symbol from the denominator. So in order to remove this negative symbol from the denominator, what I need to do? In order to remove this negative symbol from the denominator, that is minus 2 is there, what I need to do? I need to multiply minus 1 to the denominator. If I multiply minus 1, that means minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. So if I am multiplying minus 1 in the denominator, the same thing I also should multiply to the numerator. That means minus 1, that means minus 1 upon minus 1. This is what I am going to do here, so that I can remove the negative symbol from the denominator. Now I can write this one as, or that is equal to 5 root 3 plus root 5 into minus 1 is nothing but minus 5 into root 3 plus root 5 upon, as I told you, minus 2 into minus 1 is 2. Or in simple way, I can write this one as minus 5 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2 into root 3 plus root 5. Guys, this is our answer. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. Just what I did here, just I solved the given expression or the given equation, so that I got the answer. But still guys, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.